Hi, my name is Talia and I'm the owner of 16 Mill Bake Shop based in Brooklyn. I would say the most popular things are definitely donuts, our scones that are sourdough, and our breads and waffles. Our gingerbread prune chocolate donut is fully vegan, gluten-free, refined sugar-free, sweetened only with maple syrup. We flavor the batter with my house-made Polish gingerbread spice, including white pepper. It's filled with the prune butter that we make in-house, and we dip it in chocolate glaze that's also sweetened with maple syrup only, and sprinkle it with a little bit of maple sprinkles. I love prunes because I grew up eating them. Like, I never knew any health aspects when it comes to prunes or the nutritional value. It's very easy to use in baking. You can make jams out of it. You can just chop them up and put it in baked goods. They are just so versatile. People associate prunes with one thing only and we are trying to encourage them to try them in our baked goods and just change the prejudice towards prunes. I usually say, try it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. At least you tried it and you know what it tastes like.